The power lines outside have just been down. I was wondering if you could help me out.
The R10 aeration can definitely fix that. We'll send him over right away.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Who are you talking to?
Jake from Gears Inc.
Jake from Gears Inc. at 3 in the morning? Who is this?
It's Jake from Gears Inc.
Jake from Gears Inc. What are you wearing?
Khakis, yik-yak socks, and a Gears Inc. polo.
She sounds hideous.
Well, she's a guy, so... Wow, you guys really got those power lines back up quickly.
It's what we do.
Hey Elise, come check it out. They put the power lines back up.
Maybe she is a guy.